We are going to solve NCERT Class 6, Chapter 1, Exercise 1.3, Question number 2. Question number 2, which is give rough estimate by rounding off to nearest hundreds and also close estimate by rounding off to nearest tens. Part A, 439 plus 334 plus 4317. Part B, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. Part C, 8,325 minus 491. And Part D, 4,89,348 minus 48,365. So now we solve. Part A, 439 minus 439 plus 334 plus 4,317. So nearest hundreds, and we make two columns, nearest tens. So 439 is rounded to 400, as 439 is more close to 400 and not to 500. 334 is rounded to 300, as 334 is more close to 300 and not to 400. 4,317 is rounded to 4,300, as 317 is close to 300 and not to 400, and on adding we get 5,000. Similarly for nearest tens, 439 is rounded to 440, as 39 is close to 40 and not to 30. 334 is rounded to 330, as 34 is close to 30 and not to 40, and 4,317 is rounded to 4,320, as 17 is close to 20 and not to 10, and our sum becomes 5,090. Now we go to Part B, 1,08,734 minus 47,599. So 1,08,734 is rounded to nearest hundred, and it becomes 1,08,700. And 47,599 is rounded to 47,600, as 599 is more close to 600 and not to 500. And on subtraction we get 61,100. Now for rounding up to nearest 10. One lakh 8,734 becomes 1,08,730, as 34 is close to 30 and not to 40. 47,599 becomes 47,600. As 599 is close to 600 and not to 590. And on subtraction we get 61,130. Part C, 8,325 minus 491. So 8,325 becomes 8,300, as 325 is more close to 300 and not to 400. 491 is close to 500. So on subtraction we get 7,800. And on rounding off to nearest tens, 8,325 is rounded to 8,330, and 491 is rounded to 490, as 91 is close to 90 and not to 100. And on subtraction we get 7,840. Part D, 4,89,348 minus 48,365. So on rounding to nearest 100 we get 4,89,348 is rounded to 4,89,300, as 348 is more close to 300 and not to 400, minus 48,365 is rounded to 48,400, as 365 is more close to 400 and not to 300. And on subtraction we get 4,40,900. And on rounding to nearest tens, 4,89,348 becomes 4,89,000 350, as 48 is close to 50 and not to 40. Minus 48,365 becomes 48,370, and on subtraction we get 4,40,980. Part 2 of the question is, five more such examples. So we give the examples. Example 1, nearest 100 and nearest tens. So our first example is 4,567. 4,567 plus 1,324. So for nearest hundreds, it becomes 4,600, and 1,324 becomes 1,300, and on adding we get 5,900. And for nearest tens, 4,567 becomes 4,570, and 1,324 becomes 1,320. So on adding we get 5,890. Now we go to next example, which is 8,517 minus 2,306. So 8,517 becomes 8,500, and 2,306 becomes 2,300, and on subtraction we get 6,200, and on rounding to nearest tens we get 8,520. 8,520, 17 becomes 8,520, and 2,306 becomes 2,310, and on subtraction we get 6,210. Our third example is 5,784 plus 2,319. So 5,784 is rounded to nearest 100 and becomes 5800, and 2319 becomes 2300. So on adding we get 8100. And rounding to nearest tens, 5784 becomes 5780. And 2319 becomes 2320. So on adding we get 8100. Example 4. $6,157 minus 3,126. So for nearest hundreds, 6,157 becomes 6,200. And 3,126 becomes 3,100. And on subtraction we get 3,100. For rounding to nearest tens, 6,157 becomes 6,160. And 3,126 becomes 3,130. So on subtraction we get 3,030.